Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to drive a Hyundai Tucson. First, make sure your smart key is with you inside the vehicle. Then, firmly press down on the brake pedal. With your foot on the brake, simply push the engine start-stop button to bring your Tucson to life. Before moving, take a moment to adjust your seat and mirrors for the best possible view of your surroundings, ensuring a safe and comfortable start to your journey. Once the engine is running, you'll use the push-button shifter on the center console to select drive, neutral, or reverse. The steering wheel features convenient buttons for controlling your audio system and activating cruise control. Headlights and windshield wipers are managed by stalks located on either side of the steering wheel. Remember to engage the electronic parking brake by pulling up its button when you are parked and push down to release it. Your Tucson offers several drive modes to optimize your experience. Normal mode provides a balanced performance for daily commuting. For a more dynamic feel, select Sport mode, which sharpens acceleration and steering response. If fuel efficiency is your priority, Eco mode adjusts engine performance to conserve gasoline. There is also a Smart mode, which intelligently adapts to your driving characteristics, seamlessly switching between settings as needed for an intuitive ride. Parking your Tucson is made easier with features like the surround view monitor, providing a full 360-degree view around your vehicle. For challenging spots, remote smart parking assist can even maneuver your car while you stand outside. Advanced safety technologies like forward collision avoidance assist and lane keeping assist help prevent accidents. Additionally, the Tucson is equipped with 6 airbags, offering significant protection for all occupants in the event of a collision.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.